Elbows deep in a customer's SUV, you have a polisher in one hand, compound on the other, and your phone starts ringing on the dashboard. You can either drop your tools and answer it, or keep buffing. Most mobile detailers keep buffing. But when you run a business entirely out of your iPhone's text messages, every missed call is a prospect calling the next shop on Google. Missing just 2 high-ticket ceramic coating inquiries a week drains thousands of dollars of potential revenue right out of your pocket. To plug that week, the 2026 standard for mobile detailers is Pipedrive CRM. It acts as an automated sales engine that works exactly when your hands are full. Hitting your revenue ceiling does not mean you need to work faster. It means it is time to put down the polisher, step back, and build a system that manages the business for you. Step 1 is getting out of spreadsheets. Standard service apps treat every job as a flat row of data. Pipedrive uses a deals-first architecture that treats every phone call or Instagram DM as an active asset moving through a sales funnel. This comparison shows exactly why standard systems fail visual workers. Instead of scrolling through an endless grid of names and dates on the left, you use the clean Kanban board on the right, where each customer sits in a distinct column based on their buying process. Because you are mobile, your CRM has to be too. This map shows Pipedrive's Nearby feature, which plots all of your past and present client addresses directly onto an interactive interface. If a thunderstorm suddenly rolls in and your noon appointment cancels, you do not have to drive 20 miles back home. You open the map, find 3 past clients in a 2-mile radius, and offer them a quick maintenance wash. Managing your logistics right from your pocket eliminates dead hours on the road. It keeps your daily utilization rate as close to 100% as possible. To stop leads from slipping into the void, we are going to build a strict 5-stage pipeline. Stage 1 is the new lead. This captures the initial digital inquiry from your website or social media. Stage 2 is the on-site quote, where you physically inspect the vehicle's paint condition and confirm the exact package requirements. Stage 3 is deposit secured. Once the customer pays to lock in their slot, the calendar is officially blocked out. Stage 4 is detail in progress, marking the vehicle you are actively working on today. Finally, Stage 5 is job completed. The paint is corrected, the interior is spotless, and the client is ready to be archived. When you finish, you pull out your phone and drag the card from in progress to completed. That single gesture updates your database instantly. Imposing this strict visual constraint eliminates cognitive load. At the end of an exhausting 10-hour day, the board tells you exactly who needs an invoice and who needs a follow-up text, so you don't have to rely on your memory. Getting a new customer is expensive. Keeping one is cheap. Top operators achieve a 70% repeat rate through relentless follow-up, while average shops stall out around 30%. To bridge that gap without adding manual administrative work, we use Pipedrive's Automation Builder. This flowchart shows the logic. You set up a rule that watches your pipeline. The exact moment you drag a high-ticket ceramic coating job into that job completed stage, a hidden timer starts. We set this timer to delay for exactly 6 months. When that timer expires, Pipedrive automatically fires off a pre-written email to the client. It reminds them that their coating is due for an inspection and offers to book a premium maintenance wash and decontamination. Capturing 3 or 4 of these $300 maintenance washes a month requires 0 extra effort. The software simply wakes up and handles the outreach for you. By automating your post-service follow-ups, you stop waking up every day desperate for new leads and start cultivating a highly predictable, recurring subscriber base. Pipedrive does not operate in isolation. It functions as the central nervous system for your other field tools. You can connect a scheduling app like Calendly straight into the CRM. When a client books a slot, Pipedrive instantly updates your Google Calendar and factors in the accurate drive time between neighborhoods. You can tie it into QuickBooks. When you move that deal to the final stage, the system generates and sends a mobile invoice before you even pack up your hoses. This layout shows the math. A standard Pipedrive plan costs between $24 and $49 a month. Compare that to the gross profit of a single $1,500 ceramic coating job that you would have lost because you were too busy to answer the phone. The software pays for itself the very first time it catches a missed call or triggers one successful automated maintenance wash. If your business is leaking cash while you buff panels, it is time to deploy this automated hub. Stop missing out on revenue, reclaim your schedule, and scale your operations with precision.